Guys, welcome back to my channel, Accounting with Common Sense. This is your friend Junaid. We have started a new series for accounting concepts, and our first video is going to be about the concept called business entity concept. Let's try to understand what this concept is. This concept literally tells us that business and honor, these are two independent and separate entities. Okay, honor is separate, business is separate. Okay, honor's affairs, which could be a mortgage payment, which could be a rent payment of their home. Honor could go on holidays. Honor could pay tuition fee for their children. Things like that. Buy some groceries or whatever. That personal expense is literally for the honor, right? It belongs to the honor. We cannot book those expenses in businesses profit and loss account. Okay, so honors own personal expenses, they literally belong to honors and they have got nothing to do with the business, right? And similarly, if business is incurring any expenses and obviously all the revenues that business is generating, they've got nothing to do with the honor. The other important point is that everything, all the transactions, to be seen, okay, from the business's point of view and not from the owner's point of view, from the business's point of view. Okay, with that said, if businesses, if there are any revenues going on, if there are any expenses going on, then business would do its own debits and credits, right, in order to book them from business's very own point of view, right? Which means if honor is investing, let's say 100,000 into the business, then if we talk about it from the business point of view, then what business would do is business would debit its bank, right, because it received 100,000, and the money was actually received through the capital investments from this honor, which means the second side would be the liability side, right? So bank debit and the investment or the capital account would be credit. Okay, so that investment would be the liability towards its honor. Similarly, from the business point of view, any expenses that this honor is incurring, from business's point of view, that has no relevance or significance, for this business. Okay, so yeah, to sum it up, honor and business, they're completely different entities. Honor would record their own personal expenses or whatever in their own books, and business would record their expenses and their revenue in their own books. Okay, now the final thing is, you'd be thinking to yourself, what's in it for the honor then, right? If even after spending the money, investing the money into the business, if this business is still considered as a separate entity, why would honor do it on the first place? Well, honor could pay themselves from, let's say, three ways, right? One could be that this honor would essentially become an employee into the business and start getting salary for it, right? That's number one. Second could be that this honor would give themselves a dividend on the profits that this business would generate towards the end of the year. Third thing could be honor could draw, right? Could do the drawings against their investments and use the money for their own personal uses. So that's how they could do it. But the bottom line is, honor and business, they are completely different entities, and every transaction to be seen from the business point of view. Does it have a relevance? Yes, no. Yes, if it is, then all the debits and credits will follow as per that. Okay, hopefully guys, you understand now what business entity concept is, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the second video in this series of accounting concepts. Until then guys, take a very good care of yourself. Bye bye.